How to create stunning glow effect on object in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open CapCut application on your device, create a new project and select the video in which you want to add a glowing object. After that, click on overlay and choose the option of add overlay. Select the object and as you can see, the object has been appeared on our screen now. You can simply manage the length of the object in the video and also manage its size manually. In order to give it a glow effect, simply select the overlay photo or video, go to effects, go to video effect and here in the search box simply search for flash vibration. After that you will see a lot of effects providing you the glow effect. Simply choose any one of it and choose for your object. Once chosen, click on done and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.